I'm Michelle of More Time Together, and join us as we visit the Central Florida Zoo.
Welcome to the Central Florida Zoo. Michelle, I want to show you this cool thing.
Okay.
Look, from this side it looks like 2 giraffes, but from this side it looks like 1 giraffe.
Whoa. Today we visited with our 2 nieces and our 2-year-old daughter. In this video, we'll show you some of the animal exhibits as well as some of the fun options at the zoo. These optical illusions were at the entrance of the zoo, and it was a fun walk in. I really enjoyed listening to my niece point out what she was looking at.
Oh, yeah.
There's another one back there. On a wooden thing.
Maddie, what is it? My younger niece had visited the zoo on a field trip, so we let her be our guide. This was a great way to build her confidence and leadership skills, and she loved it. Did you see the frog back there? It's back all the way back there. I'll pick you up in just a moment. And then what did you see over here? Oh my goodness. A gaboon viper? Do you know what animal that is? Or a reptile?
No.
Salamander.
Why is he saying
Can you say salamander?
salamander?
Good job.
What's that doing?
He's looking at it. Say hi, salamander.
I don't know. But that one really was on the field trip. I think it because look, the cold is blowing on him.
Oh, I wonder.
He was staring at us at the same position. I think he's staring and snake.
Oh, yeah, there's a frog on the wall up there. You see it?
No.
It's a little purple.
Oh, wow. I like how it's hungry.
What's over here, Maddie? What are those?
Monkeys. Monkeys. Is that a monkey or
Monkeys.
skunk? I can't.
Let's see.
It's a monkey.
We have a lot of books about animals at home, and my daughter loves monkeys. So seeing one was very exciting for her. It helps build concrete knowledge.
Or a dead animal.
It says cottontail tamarin.
Or it was chewing on a dead animal. Or a kid. When do we get to the playground? Where's the playground? Yeah, there's a playground here. Is it in the children's zoo? No, that's the petting zoo. Oh. So, we can go to see the spider monkeys, see the llamas. We can see these and then go to the children's garden. I think that's the playground.
The girls studied this map for a while, and I let them decide together on the route to take without trying to intervene too much. This was a great way for them to develop their problem-solving skills.
He's acting like a dog. You should get a pet otter.
That'd be funny, huh?
Don't like me. Otter, do you like her? I think that means...
Many of the animal exhibits were up close, and it reminded me of how close we got to some of the animals at the Brevard Zoo. I'll link the video below in the comments so you can see our visit to that zoo as well. The playground was a hit, and it was nice that it was in the shade. Check out the sloth hanging out. You can feed the giraffes here for $5. We didn't do it on this particular trip since we had done it at the Brevard Zoo. The girls played a round of giant checkers, which was in the shade too.
Good job.
I love watching them figure out how to let their younger cousin play with them.
Whoa, that's a good idea. Look at you girls figuring out a way she can play. So sweet.
We spent about 4 hours at this zoo and had a good time exploring. Be sure to bring plenty of water, wear hats and sunblock, as it is very hot. Check out the blog posted below for more tips and details about the zoo. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel, More Time Together, and like this video for more family fun. Thanks for watching.